best way to build credit and the best way to destroy your credit. The best way to build credit is a credit card. And the reason I say that a credit card don't have an expiration date. A loan, 48 months, 36 months, 72 months, 60 months, whatever, it expires. A credit card never expires. The only way you close it, or the company close it for inactivity. Right? So, once again, if you over leverage, it's gonna tank your score. You see what I'm saying? The way to get out of that, if you still have a decent credit, from what I heard you say, I don't know your situation, right? But I just know a lot of time it's credit card. You say you never filed bankruptcy. I have twice. I heard Tasha say she had. Yeah. So I filed twice. So I learned my lesson. That's what I'm telling you. Like, I know credit. Like, I never worked at Equifax, but I know credit.